Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, we're tackling an essential component of any app, the privacy policy page. With the Ionic Design Kit, what might seem daunting becomes straightforward. Let's see how it transforms this task from a headache to a breeze. On the left side of your screen, we're diving into coding with help from the official Ionic guides. In the middle, check out our app designs, all thanks to the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, you'll see a phone emulator showing what our code does in real time. Remember, you can pause the video anytime to delve deeper into the details. And for those of you looking for code snippets and more thorough explanations, our website has got you covered. Privacy matters. The privacy policy screen is where you communicate your data handling practices transparently, establishing trust and compliance with privacy regulations. The Ionic Design Kit streamlines the creation of a user-friendly privacy policy page. Built on the solid Ionic framework, it offers designers a selection of pre-made elements for easy use, eliminating the need to start from the ground up. Developers will appreciate the reduced coding complexity and a smoother workflow. In essence, the Ionic Design Kit is an invaluable asset for both designers and developers aiming for efficiency. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Here's to enhancing your app development journey, making it more efficient and hassle-free.